Hi, this is Richard Embury from AV Plates here at ISE, stand 5H110. Specifically new this year to the ISE stand is our new rebranding, which is quite simply your ideas and our designs. The process of your ideas and our designs basically allows you as a project manager or a specifier to walk into an installation and identify needs that aren't currently available off the shelf. Basically, we will help you turn your ideas into designs and then carry it through to a manufacturing process from both an aesthetic and a functional point of view. These may quite often be just simply one-off products, but they will be specific to the environment that you will be installing to in the future. If you can work with us and help us with your ideas, we will basically work with you and your designs and manufacture products specifically for your projects. Have a further look on our website, avplates.com, for more ideas and a few of the other products that we have available. Many thanks.